Hello and welcome to Agric. So today we will discuss the syllabus of ASRB NET Agricultural Extension, and all of us know that this is the exam for recruitment into scientist, agricultural scientist, जिसकी pay scale बहुत अच्छी होती है, and we'll go for the subject extension. Okay, since I'm specialized into this subject, we will discuss the syllabus of ASRB NET 2026, जिसका exam most probably December में held होगा, the prelims. Okay, so let us start discussing the syllabus. Let us start discussing from the first unit, fundamentals of extension education and communication, जिसमें पहला टॉपिक है एक्सटेंशन एजुकेशन एंड एडवाइजरी सर्विसेज. व्हाट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट, इसके कॉन्सेप्ट में क्या क्या कवर होती है, द डेफिनेशंस ऑफ एक्सटेंशन एजुकेशन, what are the principles of extension and the approaches. We know that there are 8 extension approaches given by Axel, तो वो सारी चीजें इसमें पढ़नी होंगी. Then there is, this is you can say the first topic. Then the second topic is similarities and dissimilarities among extension education, adult education and continuing and distance education. सो एडल्ट एजुकेशन एंड कंटिन्यूइंग एजुकेशन में हम यूजीसी में एग्जाम देते हैं इस सब्जेक्ट में. सो वी हैव टू नो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज 3 टॉपिक्स, एक्सटेंशन एजुकेशन, एडल्ट एंड कंटिन्यूइंग. हालांकि ये बहुत ही माइनर टॉपिक है. Okay, so this is a very minor topic, but we have to get into the very core, the very fundamental differences. Okay, since we are going to be scientists into this subject, so we must know the basic differences between even the minor topics. Then there is next is the history and historical and emerging perspective of agriculture, veterinary, animal husbandry and fisheries extension education. इन चार सारी चीजों की एक्सटेंशन पार्ट्स को हमें कवर करना है जो इंडिया में हो रही है और अदर कंट्रीज में हो रही है. Then the fourth topic is community development and integrated rural development programs. The concept, principles and objectives. तो यहाँ पे हमें क्या पढ़ना होगा, जो सारे स्कीम्स हैं, जो सारे प्रोग्राम्स चल रहे हैं गवर्नमेंट के या हो चुके हैं, उन सारे का कॉन्सेप्ट, प्रिंसिपल्स एंड रूल्स. डायरेक्टली इसमें मेंस में क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. Then fifth is role of agricultural extension in different sectors of agriculture and rural development. सो यहाँ पे हम एग्रीकल्चरल एक्सटेंशन के डिफरेंट सेक्टर्स पढ़ेंगे, एग्रीकल्चर और रूरल डेवलपमेंट में उसका रोल पढ़ेंगे. Then the sixth topic in the first unit is National Agricultural Extension System and Reforms. So National Agricultural Extension System कैसे चल रहा है, उसमें क्या क्या रिफॉर्म्स हो चुके हैं अब तक, वो सारे हमें जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Then the Public Extension System which are the most active at ground level, आत्मा and KVK, जो ग्राउंड पे अभी इस समय पे सबसे ज़्यादा एक्टिव है. From the public extension system, ATMA and KVK, we must know and get into the very core of it. Then there is National Mission on Agricultural Extension and Technology. This is also, we can say, a minor topic. Okay, no, this is 6, this was 7. This 7 and this is 8. Alright. Then there is private extension system. Private extension system, pluralism in extension. प्लूरलिज्म पढ़ना है, यानी कि एक्सटेंशन का जो डिफरेंट डायमेंशंस अभी डाइवर्सिफाई हो रहा है उसके बारे में पढ़ना है. प्राइवेट एक्सटेंशन सिस्टम के बारे में पढ़ना है. दिस कैन बी कवर्ड इन अ सिंगल टॉपिक 9. ओके, देन रिसर्च एक्सटेंशन फार्मर इंटरफेस, जो यू कैन से AKIS, द एग्रीकल्चर नॉलेज इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम, बेसिकली उसी को कवर करना है इसमें. रिसर्च एक्सटेंशन एंड फार्मर इंटरफेस, yeah, see AKIS. So ये whole, this can be termed into the single, this can be all conceptualized into a single topic. Then there is farmer field school, another important and very important and conceptual topic. Then the participatory approaches, this is one of the approaches under the 8 extension approaches. This is one of them. Then participatory technology development, technology assessment and refinement, this can be counted into a single topic. Programs and scheme for agriculture, animal husbandry, dairy, fisheries and rural development implemented by Government of India. Then impact analysis of extension programs, concept, elements and models of communication. This is another topic, that is we are entering into the communication part, जहाँ पे हमें उसके फीचर्स पढ़ने होते हैं, credibility, fidelity, empathy, feedback, problems and barriers, distortion and noise, group and mass communication, interpersonal, intrapersonal. These things we all have been studying from our UG courses only. Art and science of public speaking, these all are part under communication. Then there are personalities, the theories of personalities. So, okay, so from here, the human behavior dimension is entering. Perception, attitude, emotions, the factors affecting attitude change, the theories of personality and motivation. तो यहाँ पे मोटिवेशन मास्लो के पढ़ने होंगे थ्योरी, हमें जो पर्सनालिटी की डिफरेंट थ्योरी है, इंट्रोवर्ट एक्सट्रोवर्ट, वो सारी चीज़ें हमें इसमें पढ़नी होंगी. अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द बेसिक रूरल इंस्टीट्यूशंस, सोशल स्ट्रक्चर, कल्चर एंड नॉन सोशल एंड टेक्नोलॉजिकल चेंज, प्रोसेसेस, ग्रुप डायनामिक्स, कंसेप्ट एंड थियरीज ऑफ रूरल लीडरशिप. थोड़ा सा हमें लीडरशिप वाला पार्ट भी इसमें कवर करना होगा, राइट. सो दिस इज कवर्ड अंडर द फर्स्ट यूनिट ऑफ agricultural extension, that is fundamentals of extension education and communication. This is the very important unit for our syllabus. Now the next unit that we have to cover is extension methods and agricultural journalism. Methods और journalism इसमें cover होगा, जिसमें हम andragogy, pedagogy के concepts पढ़ेंगे, behavioral dimension like behaviorism, cognitism, constructivism. Then what are the factors that influence the human behavior, ये पढ़ेंगे. देन द टाइप्स ऑफ लर्निंग, लर्निंग की जो थियरीज हैं वो भी इसमें पढ़ने होंगे. डिफिनेशन, डोमेन्स ऑफ लर्निंग, कॉग्निटिव, इफेक्टिव, साइकोमोटर लर्निंग थियरीज, राइट. ये सारी चीजें हमें पढ़नी है. Then third part is the experiential learning. We all know this is a minor topic जिसमें experiential learning का cycle एक होता है. Then what is the concept and the elements that are being given under experiential learning, the principles of learning, and this is another important topic is Edgar Dale's cone of experience, classification and feature of different extension method, selection, planning and use of extension methods like demonstration, exhibition, farmer fair, field days. क्या क्या इसमें basic इनके features होते हैं, characteristic, advantage, disadvantage, all of these are very important from mains perspective. Preparation and presentation of different projected and non-projected audiovisual aids, basis of agricultural journalism. This is the important part. This is the fourth part. Basics of agricultural journalism and types of publication, bulletins, folders, all of these are very similar yet very different at their core. We have to know the basic differences between them. Basics of writing, readability in indices, principles of visual design, fundamentals of layout and design, preparation of radio video script. इन सब के rules होते हैं, features होते हैं, we all have to get into it. Principles of photography and its use in extension. Okay, so these are some of the very important parts of agricultural journalism that we have to get into. Although ये हम कह सकते हैं कि ये थोड़ा सा minor topic है, जो कि classical studies में we can say ये कुछ classical है, जैसे Edgar Dale cone of experience. तो ये सब चीजें तो हमें पता होनी चाहिए. बाकी ये जो last वाला part है, journalism वाला part, ये we can say comparatively lesser important. Okay, so moving on to the third unit, information and communication technologies, right. Concept of ICT इसमें पढ़ना ही, थोड़ा सा हम टेक्निकल साइड में इस थर्ड यूनिट में पढ़ते हैं, जहाँ पे ICT के रोल एंड कंसेप्ट, व्हाट आर द टूल्स ऑफ ICT दैट आर बीइंग यूज्ड लाइक कम्युनिटी, इंटरनेट, रेडियो, ईमेल एटसेट्रा. देन इंफॉर्मेशन कियोस्क, वेब टेक्नोलॉजी. सो बेसिक डिफरेंसेस इसमें होते हैं, जैसे वेबसाइट और वेब पोर्टल का डिफरेंस इस बार पूछ लिया गया था मेंस में. सो वी हैव टू गेट इनटू द वेरी basic differences between them. Then social media features, applications, websites, portals, expert system, decision support system. So ये जो सारे एक terms है, we have to understand the definition and also the differences between them. Apps related to agriculture, dairy, veterinary and all the allied activities. M-learning, e-learning platforms like MOOCs, OER etc. इन सब के डेफिनेशंस एंड एग्जांपल्स के साथ हमें पढ़ना होगा. देन डिजिटल एग्रीकल्चर, द एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ AI, IoT, GIS, GPS, blockchain, big data analytics, market intelligence and information system. These are all the very trending topics right now, so we have to get into it. Networking system, the challenges of ICT, the types of network, ये तो classical है, LAN, PAN and human computer interactions, the theories of multimedia learning as well as cognitive load theory, Mayer's cognitive theory of multimedia learning, Snort's integrative model of text. ये सारे theories जो classical theories है, हमें ये पढ़ने हैं. Van Meritbourg's 4-component instructional design model for multimedia learning and basic principles also of multimedia learning. So there are total 8 units. We have already discussed the 3 units of syllabus. We all know that for every exam to prepare, we first have to get clear about the syllabus. So the next 5 units will be covered in the next video, and then we will proceed towards the previous year questions before starting our actual lessons. Okay, so stay tuned and keep preparing. All the best. Thank you.